got to move the camera around to there, baby. You got to look at me.
Got to put that on YouTube.
Yeah, and then you move it fast and zoom in.
I'm not like you guys.
It's all part of...
This is a video diary starring Ramika Knight as the host with the most. The illustrious Ramika, tell us about your day.
Today, turned 3 cars into 1 good car.
Brilliant. What
That's
else?
the magic of being handy.
That's the magic of being handy.
If you don't want to be used, then you need to be useless. Let that sink in.
That's very enlightening. Yeah.
Yes.
I appreciate you.
Because I'm someone who's not useless.
Yes, everybody wants
Yeah.
you.
Not because I'm someone that's useful. I mean, everyone wants me to give them a hand to do something.
Yep.
But when I need a hand, no one's around. That's okay.
You can't make noise while
I was
you're
put
talking.
here on this earth to serve. I
Yes.
do get good things from helping people. I do not like helping people. I just feel like sometimes people should help me in return.
Yes.
At least a blowjob, a massage with a happy ending.
You're talking about my sister now, yeah? So I'm pretty sure I get plenty.
You give plenty.
Yeah.
Once a year's plenty, guys. Okay, just making that clear.
He's a happy man. I'm a happy wife.
I'm a happy man. I don't need blowjobs.
Or sex.
I didn't say that.
Yeah. Oi! Get outside.
Hey, what are you gonna hang that? Get!
Outside! Outside!
Been eating. They eat all the scraps out of our compost bin.
They do. And there's no way to stop them
Vegetables and all.
until we build something to stop them.
So all we need to do is find a builder to build
Yeah.
a scrap bin.
And nobody got time for that. Barely have time to sit down and hydrate ourselves. But on the bright side,
So I'm a jack of all trades,
yeah, you are.
but a master of none. But that is still more beneficial than a master of one.
Amen.
That's actually the full saying, if anyone didn't know that. Everyone always says, oh, you're a jack of all trades but a master of none. It's like, yes, but there's more to that saying, and people always forget that.
They don't even know that.
It's still better than a master of one.
Yeah. Jack of all trades, master of none. It is still better than a master of one.
Yes.
You are qualified to do many things.
Yes.
Yes, it's exhausting, isn't
I
it?
know, I'm so tired of how much skill runs through my veins.
It's very humble. Yes, it is a
Has
good
anyone else
life.
ever had that thing where you go to do something you've never done before and you can do it and you're like, how the hell can I do that? Because I shouldn't be able to do that. I shouldn't be able to do these things that I just put my mind to. I can. I don't know, it's strange because there's lots of people out there that can't. I'm much well aware of that because they always ask me to help them do it. I'm wondering if they're just lazy and don't give it a go, or if we all have different brains,
Different gifts.
setups, I guess.
We all have different gifts, I would think.
I think I've got a problem-solving brain, maybe, that if I see something, if I can work out how it works, then I'll know how to fix it.
You're very mechanically minded. You can kind of look at anything and dissect how it works.
Yeah. Which
Should
means
really
when I used to be a mechanic and I was working in a garage, I'd get all the big jobs because every other mechanic in the workshop would fuck it up. The boss would soon get pissed off of that, and who would get all the jobs from then on after? Me. Why? Because I'm the only one that could do it. And that used to get pretty annoying because sometimes you just want to do some easy jobs for a change instead of having to do the shit that your brain's constantly going, fuck, if I fuck up one thing, I'm going to cost this customer thousands of dollars, or I'm going to have to pay for it. And it was stressful, and that's why I left being a mechanic and went building, which you wouldn't believe is actually less stressful, because you don't just snap one bolt off and cause thousands and thousands of dollars worth of damage. In building, it's different. Normally you work out that you've done something wrong long before you've built the whole house and have to pull it all down just to get to that one bit on the car. And I have enjoyed working outside. It's been good. Being stuck in a workshop in the middle of summer was not fun. Because we all need vitamin D.
Lots of vitamin D, and that's the goal, eh, baby? Release these past traumas of being overworked by everyone else and have an easy job, which is YouTube creation.
And when I say vitamin D, I mean sunshine. Get you guys' minds out of the gutter. Okay.
Plenty of vitamin D riding a bike.
Yes. It's what we do for fun.
It is.
Ride bikes.
And go exploration-ing.
And when I say bikes, I do not mean bicycles. Because that is for gay people.
Okay, you don't.
They don't pay registration. They shouldn't be on the road. They shouldn't be riding 3 push bikes wide.
We're an inclusive community here at Fearless Risk. If you ride a bicycle, you're not gay. Maybe.
But you know what you do need on your push bike? Mirrors. So you can see me coming up behind you and know that you need to pull over. Let people pass. When there's 2 or 3 cyclists wide, they wonder why they get hit by cars. And that's not because we mean to hit you, it's because we come around the corner and we're doing 100 and you're doing about 20 and we've got nowhere to go. So you get run over.
So far on this recording, we have had a riveting conversation about all the things that Ra struggles with and all the things that bother him.
They're called intrusive thoughts.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm thinking or talking about
He
anything.
wakes up like this most days.
That's not very nice.
He's happy on the outside.
You know what? Sometimes I wake up grumpy. The other times, I let her sleep.
Yeah.
The world's too PC. We need to just say what comes to mind, because that would be a lot more entertaining than people just...
No.
Does anyone else ever sleep 8 hours a night and wake up tired? I've got a neck injury, so I'm in pain a lot. That could be part of it. I don't take painkillers because they're not good for you. But pain's not good for you either, because it stresses you out and eventually wears you out.
And stress is our #1 killer
Yes.
in our culture today. Stress less, live more.
Canvas seat covers.
Oh, yeah.
Seat covers. Okay.
Make it tidy.
Yeah. Not as well. So we've just worked out that prostitution is now legal, which means that women have no excuse to go get a job.
Do not have a job.
Not have a job. Most of you only lie there anyway, so might as well get paid for it. I'm kidding. I have the utmost respect for prostitutes. I mean women. Anyone who knows me knows I'm joking.
Yeah, that's his sense of humour.
Hey Luna. Lunatic.
There's nothing up there for you, Luna.
So whenever there's a tick on you, we know that that tick is a lunatic.
Yeah.
Hey.
So,
Now what?
yeah. We done for the day?
They still haven't paid me my insurance money. Cut down Caldina. Oh, it's like fucking Transformers. Look at that. Robots in disguise.
It's amazing.
So, you know how many people have messaged me on thing and said, fuck bro, you still got the badge on the thing? And I'm like, nah, sold. It's a good day.
It's been a good day?
Do you know why?
Why?
Because I thought it was Thursday and I thought I had to go to work tomorrow. But I just realised it's Friday. So I lost a day this week, but that's because it was a public holiday, I guess.
That's true, it was, yeah.
And I'm tired. And I'm working 2 days off. And do some work next week.
Yeah, and we'll go to a car show on Saturday.
Yeah, we're off to
Sunday.
tomorrow if this weather doesn't get too stormy. It looks like it's going to be shitty.
Yeah, it's supposed to be getting worse.
Right to tomorrow.
Yeah?
Go to the bike and car show.
Yep.
And come on Sunday.
Yep. Go home. Work on Monday.
Work on Monday, and then if I get some of that job done on Monday, I have to get this vanity from doing some house renovations for some people at the moment. I don't know if anyone knows this, but I've got a property maintenance business
No, they probably don't know that.
that I created because I've got a neck injury and I can't work more than a few days a week, or depending on what I'm doing, because it hurts too much. So I created my own property maintenance business and I've been busy and inundated with work, which is great. And yes, property maintenance, being a qualified mechanic and builder, is a lot lighter on my body than I'm used to. So vanity ordered at Bunnings that I need to get installed. I need to go to town next week, and I've been doing some plastering because the house I'm working on has had 11 holes kicked and punched in the walls, chipboard. So those are the good tenants that keep me working.
Keep you busy.
Yes, so I can't complain.
No. Today was a success. We managed.
Yes, we got quite a bit done on the Caldina.
Yeah, on your Caldina.
We've got a spare parts Caldina, and we just bought another one, and we are going to swap all the interior over into that.
Because it's got so much dog hair.
The car's a real tidy, low-key car, but it's so disgusting inside. And the spare parts car has got a blown engine, but the interior is immaculate.
Yeah.
So I'm going to look at getting a wet vac for cleaning car interiors, and probably also a buffer, because I just bought a Hilux for work the other day and it came freshly polished, and what a difference.
It
Looks so tidy.
Yeah.
And if you can do that to cars that you're selling or trying to tidy up. So these are all little things that we do to save money and possibly make money.
And in the long run, it's an investment as we continue this journey.
Yes, but I look at potential and know that a few hours spent and I'll have the same product for spending a lot less money. The car we just got was only $12.50, which sounds ridiculously cheap, because it needed a couple of things that I already had in the spare parts car. I needed a new mirror, side mirror putting on it, new monsoon share that was broken, swap the bonnets over because I had a dent in the bonnet. I'm probably going to swap the front bumper over. Swap all the interior over because it's dirty, it's had a dog in it, and I've already got a mint interior in the other car, so I might as well just swap it all over, and then I'll have a mint car that's looking at the market. It's probably worth $5 grand or $6 grand.
Groovy.
So we'll see.
Good for us. Go
And
on.
I enjoy doing that kind of stuff as well.
Yeah, it's fun.
And teaching Freya along the way.
Yes, I am learning. Cool.
So that's how we roll.
That's how we roll. And we are continuing to roll, and we will continue to vlog and show you our life, because it's so exciting.
That's all, folks.
That's all, folks. Au revoir.